of society. Pakistan is considered one of the least religiously tolerant countries in the world. In the latest religious freedom report from US, Pakistan was listed as a country of particular concern. Sindh has held strong to its long history of religious tolerance and has tried to remain secular. However, a fundamentalist ideology has been systematically imposed on Sindhi people through the Pakistani government. In recent years, the violence against religious minorities, particularly Sindhi Hindus, has reached unprecedented levels. The violence is systemic, and the government plays a role in allowing intolerance to grow, from maintaining the blasphemy law to failing to implement and uphold laws that protect minorities. The violence manifests itself in a variety of ways, including attacks on places of worship,